Hello everyone. Today's topic is about emotional development activities to do with your 3 years and above old child. We have categorized these emotional development activities for 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 and 3 years and above. So 3 years old children, they would have already started communicating to you, so language development is happening. So the child wants to communicate a lot of things to you. So when the child is talking, listening is the first activity I would suggest for the parents to do it with the child. Keep an active listening time with your child, face to face, eye to eye interaction. And at the same time, you also communicating to the child a lot of the things whatever you are doing. So it is a balance between both you listening and communicating is very important. And expression of different emotions. You would have already done, if you're already done the exercise of naming the emotions from the early years, that is one particular, already the child knows. When the child is undergoing some emotions, the child knows to express it in words what the child's feelings are. If it is not so and you're starting it at present right now, so naming of the emotions is the first activity. So different types of emotions the child and the parent expresses in a day. So it might be a happy moment or sad or anger, irritation, so various types of emotions. So naming the emotions is very important. It can be done when the child is experiencing, you can name it, or when the parent is getting it, you can name it, or through different pictures in the magazines, newspaper, reading. So even when you're seeing the pictures of the child also, you can name, or using the flashcards, you can name the different emotions. And once naming, once the child knows what it is this emotion is called as, so once the child expresses, then acknowledging, yes, it is okay to feel sad, it is okay to feel anger, it is okay to feel irritated. So giving that assurance to the child, acknowledging, yeah, what you're going through is okay and I do understand, because of which you are upset, or acknowledging is very important in this particular part. So once the acknowledgement is done, already the child is soothed, because the child already understands there is someone who understands me. So solution to the problem is automatically generated. Apart from this, you can build emotional development for 3 years and above by giving various choices for them to make, decision making. Take for example, whatever if you're talking about breakfast, or the clothes what the child wants to wear, or the book what the child wants to read, or the outing where the child wants to go, it is better you can start with what is acceptable to you as a choice, rather than right and wrong choices. Start with the right choices and then go ahead with the right and wrong choices. Details of which of giving choices and related with, we will cover it in a separate video which you can watch, and you can know how this can be done as the choices related with the choices, how it has to be given to the child. So decision making is one you can give where emotional development can happen. And apart from this, active listening, face to face, eye to eye. And one more very important thing on emotional development is catching the children doing right than catching them doing wrong. So what happens when you start this habit of catching them doing right, there is more chance when you have caught them doing something right, there is facial expression of happy feeling, then clapping, hugging, the feel good factor is there. And when it is there, the child wants to repeat the same good behavior, which in turn helps the child to know what behavior. It is not just about impressing the parent. The child always wants to belong to the family group, so it feels good about himself or herself that I could give this cheering feel in the family. So the child wants to repeat the good behavior with willingness. And the other one is about if you're catching them doing wrong, which usually parents don't do this, don't do that, this is wrong, this is the way, this is. So criticizing or catching them doing wrong, this gives the self-esteem of the child going down, and the child's confidence level goes down. Which is not really where the parents want it to happen. So stick on where you can see more of what your child is doing right. This is one of, apart from this, various activities, quality time, what you spend with your child, be cautious what emotions are going through, and very important one is about when the child behaves negatively, like probably I have addressed it for 2 to 3 or 1 to 2 year old also, biting, kicking or throwing the things or banging the head, other things and all. So if the behavior, if the mood of the child is bad and the behavior is harming others or harming self, then it has to be addressed immediately, saying to the child that acknowledging the feeling is okay, but not the behavior is not okay. So communicating this is very important to the child, and the non-physical punishment, if it is required of timeout, can be given for the child to know that this behavior is completely not acceptable. When you're doing this, it is the same rules holds good for the parent also. Parent also has to know the hotspots, what makes a parent angry, or when the parent is also expressing the negative behavior, so it has to be addressed there also. So being a role model, good role model, so we have to see that our emotions are also expressed in a much better way, how we want the child also to follow. So these are some of the activities which you can do for emotional development for 3 years and above. Apart from this, you can give a lot of activities of creative activities, listening to the child, which I've already mentioned, giving the household chores, age appropriate tasks can be given to the child, which again gives a boost to the child. As I have mentioned for earlier age group also, mopping, sweeping, cutting the vegetable or folding the clothes, or serving the guest, keeping the meals to the table ready. Apart from this, one more very important thing is family time, which boosts in the emotional development of the child. Keep one activity per day as a family together doing the activity, one meal together as to have and one chores given, at least one chores given to the child related with the household. These all gives the boost to the child's esteem, confidence and emotional, at the same time bonding between a parent and the child. Hope you remember all these points and practice with your child.